Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back. Today Waxaan in a coffee shop or very simple okay marka waqtigaas ka dhamay waqtiga ugu yaraha inaan iska boofsi waay waqtiga inaan badiyo ma rabo okay so abarka marka iska saarayna abar this one waay iska saarayna okay what's the issue yeah. So let's just barely column. Okay, children, container. Let's say decoration, box decoration. Let's say border radius, dot circular. I'll say 24. 24. Okay. So sidoo kale waxaa soo gelaynaa image. Let's say image. My decoration image. Also image. waxaa soo gashtay box oo ku jiraan image kan. Folder. Image slash let's say profile dot png. So emailkaas waxaa oo kuwana waxaa haystaa folder ku jiraan all imageska isticmaal rabo marka hadda imagekaas isticmaala oo profileka okay let's give a height first. Let's say 60 also width 60. Let me save. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, waxaa save programna waxaa lagu rab yani ma isticmaalayno abar so image abar ku dhex galay symbol save area something called save area. Okay, nice. So image ka wuxuu leeyahay I guess fit. Okay, let me see. Okay, say fits box fit dot cover which image ka gudaha gelina. Okay, you see, nice. So image ka marka xarna inaan gees kana gelino marka inta ka narno. First of all, color kan waxa bedelina background ka. Okay, let me go up there. Say theme theme data scaffold background color. So I think in actually color ku hayo background color isticmaalna laakiin it's why color kan isticmaalna. So yeah, background color why also waxaan u baahannahay primary color primary colors dot orange okay, nice. So let me restart. Background kana bedelan colorkiisa. Okay, so image kan inta gehina marka okay, nice. Image kan marka okay, let's swap a line. So alignments dot top right. Okay, image kan again. Okay, nice. Image kan marka wuxuu ku dhagan yahay darbiga ku dhagan yahay waxaa galeynaa symbol margin h insets dot symmetry horizontal like let's say 12, also vertical 12. Okay, nice. I think okay marka image kan sameynaa border. Okay, border dot all. Let's give a color. Border color here. Color is dot white color. Also width. Border let's say 2.0. Okay, nice. You see. So decoration cannot but no why. Let's say 28. Oh, nice. Okay. Can we say fill? Now cover is good again. Cover is good. Okay, nice. I think okay, let me say 20. I mean 14. Okay, nice, good, beautiful. Okay, come here. Also batting. H inset. Dot symmetric. Personal 12 leaf. It has to be 12 leaf. Also vertical 12 leaf. Okay. So now let's give a. Okay. So جال waxa uga dhigaynaa text isticmaalina. So text that would say is juice your drink. You drink. Juice you drink. Okay. Juice you drink. So let's give a style. Text style. Also font size. Let's say 40. Okay, let me refresh. Oh, text color. Okay, let's give a say color theme dot of context dot primary color dot primary color. Okay, nice. Text here also font weight. Font weight has to be bold. Let's say bold. Okay, nice. Is there an issue? What? Bold, okay. Okay, let me give one more. Okay, wait. Is that good? Text style, okay. Okay, nice. Text marka wuxuu joogaa centerka waxaa geenaa geeskana geenaa. Okay. So column استعماليني. Where's the column? Yeah. Say cross axis alignment dot start. Okay. Then wuxuu geenaa everything wuxuu geenaa at the beginning. Geeskan kusoo bilaaba. Okay. So I think looks good. Okay. How about you give a new line? Is that okay? No. That's not okay. Okay, yeah, okay, that's nice. So yeah, let's move on. So we need a row, okay? Row. Also, let's say children expanded because I want container. So let's give a color. Colors dot white color. Save. Okay, nice. Okay, let's give a child, which is the column. Because we have sura grena container can, I'm sorry. So yeah, nice. Okay, first of all, so grena marka image. Okay, image. Okay, a set image. Okay, let's say image slash coffee one. That's the image name. .png. Okay. Oh, nice. You see. So image marka hasina marka image ko halsina high. Specific. Let's give a high. Let's say like 140. Is that okay? Also say fit. Box fit. Dot. Fill the high. Image ka haro high is on. You see? Okay, nice. Marka sidoo kale waxa u baahanahay I mean waxu baahanahay text which says image name. Let's say Americano. Okay. Text style font size. Let's say 28. Also font weight. Font weight dot bold. Also color. It's good. Yeah, nice. Americano. Okay, beautiful. Also about a little description. Okay, hello, yeah, what is the coffee is, what's about. Also text. Say that we can say that steam foam. Also, yeah, I think like steam hot foam, right? You can say the hot foam. Save. Let's see. Okay, let's give a style also. Style. Font size. Let's say 22. Yeah, nice. Nice. Looks good. Okay. Marka la usii baahannahay inaad aad qiimaha la gadaayo, the amounts, the price. Let's say price 2.5 as a price. Okay. Also, let's give a style. Take a style. Okay, font size. Let's say this has to be a big one. Let's say 20, let's say 30. Also, it has to be a ball, okay? Phone weight. Phone weight. Phone weight. Dot ball. Okay. Everything good? Nice, beautiful. Okay, I think we're done. Okay, nice, beautiful. So okay, what we can do is, let's say structure widget. Say I'll use container. Okay, that's good. So we can copy. Say yeah, now you see marka waxaa galaynaa a margin. Container doesn't have margin. Margin edge insets dot symmetry. Horizontal 12. 12 also vertical. Let's say 12. Yeah. So let's save. Oh, nice. So I think margin like this big one. Let's say horizontal one. Let's say 10. 10 is good, I guess. Yeah, nice. You see. Also usame decoration or bisa solabay. Okay. Say decoration, box decoration. Okay, border radius dot circular, also 12. Okay, you know the issue. Waxaa jiro color isticmaalnay without out of box decoration. So yes. Okay, let me restart. This has to be our circle. Okay, what's the issue? Oh, nice. Okay, so I think it's a big one, so let's make small. Let's say 8. Let's give 8. Let's give let's say okay, let's say that. I think 8's okay. Yeah, nice. 8's okay. Yeah. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so markaas u bedelno waxaan soo laabanayo inaan sameyno waa something called constructor. oo hadhow oo baas karno any data u baahannahay. Okay, in simple way samayn karnaa waxaan u baahanaa final image URL, also a title, also a little description. Okay, also price. I think we need that one. So let's say let's make a container. Okay, say this dot image, this dot title, this dot description, and the last one is dot price. Nice. So marka waxaan asamayno variables ka inuu asan garayno waaye meelahan. Okay, So we don't need this one. This is a static one. We don't need this one, bro. So let's give an image URL, yeah. Okay. Also the title is the title name. Let's say title, okay. Beautiful. Also description, right? This is a description. Say a description. Okay, nice. Also the price. Okay, the price, because okay, we need to have a dollar sign here. So say okay, dollar sign. Also okay, same price. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay, انت معي هنا. So بس كده هنا image slash coffee1.png. Also title Americano. Also the description steam hot from. What does that mean? I have no idea what that is, but also amounts, let's say 2 boni 0. Same thing, okay. Image, let's say coffee2.png. What's the title? Okay, let's say little, I think. Also a description, let's say a devil milk, hot milk. Okay, let's give a price. Let's say $2. Let me save. Oh, now you see, everything works fine. Yeah, you see, we change image. Okay, beautiful. So also could be in a simple way. Okay. Okay. See, if we save, let's give a. Okay, you see, let's say like image 3. So also image 4. Simple. Okay. Image names Americano cappuccino. Okay. Let me copy that one. Say cappuccino. Okay. Also one more name. Also flat white. Okay. Let me copy. So yeah, let me save. Let me see the channel. Cappuccino, flat white. Okay, nice, beautiful. So one more card, one more row. Okay. Let's give a okay. So image 4, image 5, image 6. Also one more one. Image 7, image 8. I think it's 8 one. So I want to change title. Okay. Afgo. What the hell does that mean? Afogo. Okay. Avogo. I don't know what that is, but maybe it's just a name. Let me get our a hot chocolate. Okay. A hot. Also cappuccino. Yeah. Wait, did I use this one? Yeah. This is repetition one. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Oh, okay. Let me go to the. Let me wrap something called single child. Single child scroll view. اسمنا scroll view in a for adicro. You see? Oh, nice, beautiful. Wow, nice. Beautiful. So image 7 has to be somewhere around here. And I think it's nice, you see? Beautiful. So let's say the price, these are our same price. Bro, you have to be $3, okay? It's very expensive one. This one also $4. You know, let's make a dollar. This one, the cheap one. Also, yeah, I think it looks fine. It looks good. You see, $1, $2, two and a half, two and a half, $1. I think there is repetition one, cappuccino. Flat white. Okay, let me find where that is. Let me grab a name first. Ice mocho, okay. Ice mocho, ice mocho. Okay, ice mocho, nice. Ice mocho. Cappuccino, flat white. Americano, later. Cappuccino, flat white, cappuccino. Okay, hot chocolate. Okay, nice. Let me change the cappuccino, okay? Okay, there is 2 cappuccinos. What is this? Okay, let me grab this one. Let me grab this one. Okay, let me find where cappuccino says. Cappuccino twice. Okay, let me find. Okay, I got it. What? Espresso? Espresso Macchiato. Macchiato. We don't need that one. Oh, it's so long. Well, let me grab one more, okay? I think that's okay, yeah. That was long name. You see? So nice, beautiful. Marka hadda waxa sameynaa markii la siiyo kaliya markii lagu dhufto qofaa uu ka helay this one agta uu ku qancay markii la siiyo click. I want to see this image and also a glicker, okay? So, okay, let's create one more screen which says stylus widget. Let's say order screen. Let me come on this one. Okay, scaffold. Okay, Berry. Let me save area. You have to use that one if you're not using a bar. Column. Okay, children. Nice. Okay, meeshaan marka, what do you need from here? Hadda click siisid inana gees waaye inuuna gey waaye a page that says image can soo bandhigayo, okay? So first, let's say text. Okay, let me copy the same one, okay? Let me go back there and copy this container from here, even the text, okay? And go up there, okay? Let me paste here. So, okay, the first one, let me, okay, where is the, okay, let me grab something called NK well on top. Okay, nice. Okay, navigator, dot push, contact is dot material, not dot, I'm sorry, page, route, okay, builder, contact is, then the auto screen, right? Auto screen. Okay, nice. Okay, so screen can kill see your click. Okay, let me see if it's working. This one, yeah. Nice, you see? Okay. Marka waxaan sameeynaa textkan bedelaynaa. We can say how many drinks do you need? Let's say how many do you need? Let's make a size smaller. Okay. I think it's a cross exercise dot start. Okay, I think small one, let's say 35. Yeah, nice. Okay, so okay, it's also an image. Okay, image. Set image. Okay, marka waxaan sameeynaa first of all inaan sameyno waaye constructors final image. Okay, final also title. Sorry, title. Okay, final also description, also the price, and also and I think that's all. So auto screen, let's make a structure dot image dot title dot description dot price. Okay, so nice. So okay, inta ubasina marka image. Okay, image ka inuu u yeesho waaye height specific because okay, height 140. Let's give 140 height 140 and say fits height kaas ka bixin meel kale aad kartid box fit dot fill height image kaas ku baxay markaas. Okay, nice. Also baana kale title. I think let me copy from here. Okay, let me copy text. Okay, I need those. Yeah. Okay, let's put here and let me change them. Okay, I don't need the image one. I already have one. Yeah. Okay. So this, let me add all. Yeah. Also Bryce. Yeah, it's good. So let me save. There will be an error, right? Because meeshaan oo wacnay marka maxaa inaan warna lagu shubo image. So simple, without further work, you can copy from here. Okay, Gimma Americano. Okay, also the description. What's the selection? You say steam hot form. You said that. What's the price? 2.5. 2.5. Okay, let me save right now. Okay, let me refresh. They don't understand what this is. I mean restart. Yeah, restart. Okay, let's click here. Oh, okay, but they're not in a good position. Okay, so let's make them where. Okay, let's say row and also a column children. Okay, and then let's all copy from here. What's happening here? Oh, there is a colon, right? There's a colon missing there. Listen, right? There's also yeah, nice, beautiful. Okay, so I want to say everything has to be center. So nice, yeah. So let's give a size box. Say a height. Let's give a 20, I guess. Also waxaa sameynaa height box, not child, bro. Okay, let's say 15. Okay. What? Yeah, okay, let's not here. It's right here. Colorka bedelna colorka waa adigana white. They all have to be white, okay? Color color is dot white. Also, all color, they have to have the same color. Color is dot white. Also, even this one, color is dot white. Yeah, nice, beautiful. Okay. Marka meeshaan waxaa dhigaynaa qofka dalba karaa 1 coffee or more than 1. Okay, so marka waxaa sameynaa come here. Let's also give Sean, let's say 5. Let's say 10. Okay, nice, beautiful. Okay, then row. Let's say what should we say? A container. Yeah, container. Also child. It takes child. Yeah, I think it takes child. Waxaa sameyn rabaa inaa keeno 2 button oo qof kuu siiyo click ay noqonayso qof dhigi karo waxaad u baahanahay inaa soo qaato more than 1 coffee u baahanahay. You see how much or how many do you need? It's a question. Okay, it's a container. Or let's say okay, icon is dot add. Okay, save. Also in center, man. Nice. So let's give a size, let's say 50. Also color is dull white. Yeah, color has to be white. Okay, nice. Okay, that's big one. Also we need one more, that one more one. Also, okay, Scabby. Let's see. Okay, what's the icon then? That icon is like minus icon. Let's see this one. Okay, marka waxaan sameynaa icon kana bedelayna. It's like icon remove. Okay, nice. So let's give a some decoration, box decoration, let's say that border radius dot circular, let's say 28. Should we give also height? Okay, height is like 60, also wide is 60. We can also give a color, some color. Okay, let's give us some color that's convenient for this one. Color is dot, let's say light blue. Let's see light blue. Is it good one? Okay, marka color can blue guy doesn't look good. Okay, marka bedelina light blue. Where was the color? Okay, color. Okay, yes, okay. Colorkaas isticmaalina. So let's copy what we did here. Because container. Nice. Okay. Also, one more with no shegayo, something called mount. Okay. So let's say that okay, integral mount equal to 1. And also let me stateful. Okay, where is says yeah, I'm going to integral y bedeling a string. What to a string? So give a style, font size. Let's say 30. Small 30, bro. Let's see 60. Yeah. Also color. It has to be a white color. Oh, nice. Okay, so let me say space between. No, space evenly. Okay. Yes, I think it's good. So marka badda kan riixo inaa waxaa rabaa oo valuegaas 1 ah. Hadda coefficientka dalbada 1 waaye, marka inaa hadda haddaan ka dhigo 2 aan riixo add button inuu noqdo 2. Okay, haddii kalena aan dhaho -1 oo aan dhaho anoo 2 doortay hal oo baahana ka jira halka. Okay, let me give size first. Size box, no. Size box, height. Okay, 20 is okay. Okay, nice. Okay, so button wrap garahena. Oh, let's see. Okay, let me wrap NK well. NK well on top. Okay, so set state. So amount pattern is equal to plus. A button can add a. Let me copy. Also, where is the let me the same thing. Okay, NK well on top Y on top value leeyahay marka buttonka hadii la taabto kana waxaan rabnaa marka inuu noqdo minus. Okay, marka waxaan ku qoraynaa condition. Okay, if amount this value is greater than 1, yeah, let's do that function. Let's say minus 1. Okay, are you okay? Well, also the same thing. Say if amount is less than 1, do 1 ka yar yahay, or equal to, you can increment the value. So let me restart. Okay, so okay, let me start. Let me see if it's working. So let me see, press. Okay, let me press add. Yes, you see the button works. It's what was the condition for? Okay, let me say. Okay, every cell equal to greater than, no, let's say 0. Can we say 0? Yeah, you see, so we can increment. So it can go 0, you see, 0 medical. So 1 value, okay, and also more than anyone you like. Okay, marka waxaan rabnaa marka lacagta amountiga markuu bato lacagtan inay badato. Hadda koobka shaaha waxaa la gadaa $2 hadaa dhaho 2 xaba u baahanahay lacagta xaro inay badato, you see. Okay, waxaan sameeynaa what is the amount, the price, you see. So it's equal to amount dot symbol, you see. You see, okay, nice, beautiful. Yeah, you see, if I press here, okay, let's give size. They have size, let's say 36. You see, yeah, nice. Okay, it's working fine. Also go out there, also container, let's say margin at insets dot symmetric, horizontal 12, also vertical 12. Okay, child material button. Okay, nice. What is the issue here? Okay, let's give a minimum height. Let's say double dot infinity. Also height, let's say 60. Give a color, say theme of context, the primary color, also child, we change that order now, let's give a size, text style Font size, let's say 26. Nice. Can we make a white? Okay, let's. Okay. Color is dot white. Okay. Okay, letter spacing. Letter spacing. No. Letter spacing. Let's say 2.2. Okay. Okay, beautiful. So marka buttonkan waxaan geesahan kusoo laabno. You know, it doesn't look good. So shape, rounded rectangle border. Border radius, dot circular, 12. No. Okay, let's say 24. No. Let's say 10. Yeah, nice. So beautiful. Can we say we're gonna give a height 50? Oh, nice. So beautiful. So the person who doonaa amount u baahan yahay, see, increments or okay, nice. Once you do that, you want to do outer. Outer now, and it's now working. Okay, let me create a screen called still is outer screen. Oh, outer. What's the error? Outer screen, yeah. It's already divided. Where? Oh, let's say okay. Outer screen. Okay, let's say outer place. Okay, order is good, I think. Or let's say please order. Yeah, that'll be nice. Okay. So it's careful. Barry. Save area. Save area. Yeah, the challenge like column. Okay. One text that says your order has been placed. It's gonna be here. I'm gonna and didn't mean to record long time video. Say order. Let's see. Successful. Okay. What do you mean? Let's say you order. Okay. So okay, let me go there where it says auto now. Where is the on press button? Show you a problem. Where is the on press? Oh, navigator. The push of contact is material page. Material page rule. Can contact. Let's say order, or let's say place order. Yeah. Let me refresh. So if I click here, order now, you see, your order place is successful. Okay. And okay, page came out. I want to see my order, okay? Waxaa dalbaday amount to everything. So, okay, where am I? Let's add some divider. Color, first the white. Also a thickness, let's say 1.0. Okay. Also, let me have a very big one here. This has to be a man. It has to be or before this one. Let me add some icon. Icon is the check. Color is the white. Also size, say 60. Okay. Cross axis, alignments dot center. Start, you see, okay. So let me make it a very big one. Where is the, say 80? Is it good? Okay. So I want to see my outer history, okay? So let me create a column. I mean a row, I guess it's a row. I don't think it's a column, yeah. Column with this style. We just have a leading. Leading is gonna be the amount, okay? So I'm gonna create a tree variable right here. Final amount, okay? Final also amount. Also title. Okay. Also description. This, okay. Also price. Okay. Please order this amount, this title, this also a price. Also price. Okay, nice, beautiful. Okay, inta marka u baasina. Okay, leadingkeena noqonayaa the amounts. Okay. Also, excuse style. It has to be white. Also, say 22. Also, color is the white. Okay. Okay. Also, subtitle. It's cover the same thing, man. And change this. Comma. Also, trailing. Also trillion. Okay, it's gonna be the price. Has to be the price. Okay, nice, beautiful. Okay, meeshaan marka waxa u baasaynaa any value oo u baahnaan xaggan ka aragno. Marka wax kale maahan. Okay, marka hore waxaan u baahanahay title, which is Americano. Okay. Subscription, let's say okay, no. Okay, marka waxaan sameeynaa inta waxaan u baasaynaa value kor aan soo sheegnay. So title, no. Title, okay. Let's say a widget dot title. Okay, also widget dot description. Also widget dot what else? Title, description, price. Okay, price. Widget, description, widget, the price. What else? Am I expecting 4? Also amount, yes. Also amounts, okay. Widget dot amount. Amount don't exist. Amount, yeah, this is amount, man. Okay. This is what? Okay, amount. It's local variable. Okay, nice, beautiful. So let me refresh. Okay. Is there an issue? Expected to find. Okay, let me refresh. Nice. Americano, let's click. I want to have 3 cappuccino for Americano. Let's say 3, yeah. $7.25. Order now. This type double is now subtype string. Okay. Just change that. Let me refresh. Okay. Americano, let's have $3. I mean 3 cup of Americanos cappuccino. Order now. The price is integer. It has to be a string, okay? Wow. Also, let's see that the other one are they? Let me refresh. Yes, because okay, let's have 3. Okay, order now. Okay. What the hell is this? Twirling. I think doesn't have to be in column, okay? So okay, leading, title, okay, leading, amount. This is amount, bro. Oh, okay. Let me find where that. Where's the amount? Amount has to be first one. Amount. Where's tell? Tell, description, price. And save now. Also, the amount, the price has to be amount dot. Where's the price? We say the price. Okay, let me add $sign. Also $sign. Okay. Let me see them. Let's have 3. Type int, not type integer. Amounts. Yeah, but what's title? Okay. A title. Okay, a title. Text. Amount. Yeah, description. But where's title, man? I don't have title. Okay. You see? I did not have any title. I didn't add title here. So we'll pass something called title. Okay. Save. Oh, now you're good. Yeah, you see? So amount ticket, you see? Amount ticket 3 away. Okay, let me refresh. One last time. Okay. So americano waxaa dalbanaa 3 xabo 3 coffee lacagtooda badatay order now see montiga 3 xabo waaye waa kasa insoo qiimihiis okay yo great your order is good. So let me add one more text, okay, which says go back and buy another drink. Okay. Yeah, okay, fine. So what's paste? No. I want to go back to the home screen. Also say buy another drink. Also waxa u sameeynaa okay spacer. It's okay, man. Okay. So color can bedelina marka. Color can go out there, man. Also, we don't need this one. Say outline and with border. Okay. And say border side dot all. No dot. Colors dot orange. Also with it 2.0. Nice. Final drink. So looks beautiful. Also, so if you want to buy no drink, you come here and buy no drink. Okay, order now. $10. Okay, buy no drink. Okay, hadda kuwa marka ma shaqeynayaan marka in simple way sameeynaa waxaan soo gelinaynaa order now. haradana meesha ku raab garaynay buttonka. Okay, inka wall akana. So waxaan sameeynaa simple inta soo kubiyey waxaan ku raab garaynaa everyone with NK well. So based here. Image 2y, okay. Later, okay. Description bedelina. Hot milk, okay. Hot milk. It's milk. Nakaway. $2. Qiimihiisa. Okay, this one doesn't. Okay, well. Image 3, right? Image 3. Also cappuccino. Description code. It's same. Let's say $4, man. $4. Okay. NK well. You guys going to go one screen, you know that? Okay. There has to be one more. Okay. So image, what kind of image is that? Image 4, flat white. Flat white. Okay, we're on the devil hot milk. What is the price? $2? $2. Okay, well, on top. Okay, image 5. Okay, let's copy the description. It's saying also, let's say, man, tree. Also, check a tree. Image 6. مرنا فيديو مانتي وابدي. Oh, let's copy. Okay, put here. Isaac. I don't know. Let's copy this. Image 6. Okay, the double high milk. $1. The cheapest one I've ever seen. That one. Also, okay. NK. Well. It's copy here. No way. Okay. So, yeah. So image 7, I guess it's 7, isn't it? Yeah. A hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. Also, what do you say? Tree? Steam hot. Steaming. What the hell does that mean? Steam. Okay. This is the last one. Okay. Oh, okay. The video udaraday marka saas u noqon ma rabin. I apologize for that. So 8. I hope everything works fine. Fago. Devil hot milk. How much do you sell? $4? Okay, now everything works very good, smoothly, beautiful. Let's see. Marka waxaan rabnaa every screen aan ku dhufano, every coffee aan ku dhufano inuu geeyo. Okay, let me start. See? I want to order. So waxaa la gadaa $2. Laba xabaa ka rabaa. $4 waaye. Order now. See later. $4. Let's buy a drink. Come here, cappuccino, $4. Cappuccino, you see? Cappuccino, I want to say $7. $28, 7 items. Okay. Let me go. Oh, at the back. This one, hot chocolate. Oh, you see? How many do you need? I need like 3. So, wow, you see, I'm on 3. Okay. Oh, let's go. A fago. Let's see, a fago. How much do I need? I need like 4. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Nice, please. Okay, man. So everything working fine. Thank you guys so much. Video ugu dheeraaday, and I apologize for that. Yeah, thank you.